In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your Windows PC or laptop. First thing we need to do is head on to your browser and type in Roblox download. From here, just hit the top one, which will be download Roblox. And then all you need to do is hit the download Windows app button here. On most browsers, in the top right, if you click this button here, you can see your recent download history. And then all you need to do is click the Roblox Player installer. Alternatively, you can just open up the folder where all of your downloads go to. After clicking, all you need to do is wait a few seconds for Roblox to install on your computer and either create a new account or sign in. Now, if you are on Windows, there is another method to download Roblox. All we need to do is head on down to the search bar here and type in Microsoft Store and then click this. With the store now open, head on to the search bar at the top and search for Roblox. And the top left here, as you can see, Roblox for Windows. And all you need to do is just click this get button and install it this way. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.